Hey, this is the DIY Magician with another grab bag special. We go to thrift stores and we find the grab bags, we bring them back here, we open them up, and we have fun in the process. So hang on, we'll be right back. Here we have another bag ready for opening. As with the others, I want to find out why I bought this bag. And I really want to find out why I bought this bag because I paid $3.99 for this one. I don't understand why I would have spent $3.99, but I did. I think it has something to do with Thor's hammer. Yep. That could be part of it. Okay. So, but let's crack it up. Stop! Stop! Let's crack it open and find out why I bought it, okay? So, let's start out with, and again, I think I was influenced by my son. He was with me that day, and so he might have said, Dad, I think that'd be cool to have. So here it is. This looks like some sort of a toy that you would get with a piece of plastic and a candy thing on it. So it says, try me. Marvel's the Avengers. That's pretty cool. Listen, I'm going to do it without that sound. I'm going to try it. Ready? I'm not going to wave it this time. Oh, it makes that noise anyway. I thought I was making that waving sound. But that's Thor's hammer. So we're going to leave Thor's hammer right there. Okay. We have a ninja star. It is a foam ninja star with the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Just like that. And it's like, whoosh, you could throw that away. Okay. So that was a ninja star. All right. Now, there is a piece of cardboard for a Grow Creatures. I don't see the Grow Creatures. So somehow I don't think I'm going to be able to use this. But we're going to leave it there because it came in the bag. Now we have, it's made in China. I don't know what this is for. It is a little sword. Looks like Aladdin's sword. Just like that. So it's Aladdin's sword. We're going to leave that right there. Okay. A lot of wild and woolly stuff in here. Let's see. What is this? This is a solar emoji. It's a solar emoji. Just like that. And apparently, oh look. I'm going to open it because why not? This one is when you have it there that it cries.